Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 3, morning shift and day shift. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online class NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English language class for the students of class 3. Let's see what will we learn today. So in our topic section it is written composition writing 1 and 2 revision. I am telling again, our today's selected topic is composition writing 1 and 2 revision, and this is our lecture number 13 and homework number 13 also. Dear students of class 3, already you have learned these two compositions. One is about book fair, another one is student life. Today this is our revision class. I hope that all or most of the students of class 3 have memorized these two compositions, a book fair and a student life. Today I am also here to give you a reminder, so that those who are left to memorize these two compositions, please try to memorize it. Just I am giving you a polite reminder. So let's start our revision class. It is a book fair. Dear learners, whenever you will write the title a book fair, you must underline the title. A book fair, okay? Then underline. So look, there is a nice descriptions about a book fair. There are 7 or 8 nicely written lines or beautiful lines. So let's start. A book fair is held for displaying books on various subjects. Yes, very common things. Normally it is seen that in a book fair there are different types of subjects, books are found there or are held. It has recently become very popular in our country. Nowadays it is held in every city and town on some occasions. Look at the spelling occasions, OCCASION, occasions, especially on 21st February. The largest book fair in our country is held on the premises or on the area of Bangla Academy. All sorts of books, all subjects books such as fictions, novels, dramas, poems, stories, general knowledge, etc. are displayed and sold in the fair. People of all ages, especially those who are book lovers, come to the fair to buy books and to enjoy the fair. A book fair reminds us that books are our best friends. It creates curiosity. So look at the word curiosity, the spelling. I am writing here again. CURIOSITY. Curiosity. Curiosity means to know the unknown or to know something. You will have a curiosity means whenever a student has a keen interest to know something, it is called curiosity. CURIOSITY, an interest for reading among people. Okay, that means these are the 7 or 8 lines about the composition, a book fair. I hope that you have understood and properly, and those who are left, they will memorize it from now. Now, student life. Here also underlined student life. Student life is the most valuable period of a person's life. It is rightly called the seed time of human's life. The first and foremost duty of a student is to acquire knowledge. A student must take care of his health, because sound mind lives in a sound body. I am telling again, a student must take care of his health, because sound mind lives in a sound body. Good health is the key to success. Success, SUCCESS, success. Give attention on some specific spellings. Good health is the key to success. A student can do many social activities. He or she can teach the illiterate people. So look, illiterate, ILLITERATE, illiterate people. That means those who don't know how to read and write. They are called illiterate people. during natural calamities. Calamities means natural disaster. CALAMITIES. During natural calamities or natural disasters, he or she can help the victims. The success of future life depends on student life. So, every student should make the best use of this period. Okay, this is all about student life. There are also 6 or 7 sentences, nice sentences. Dear learners, so look here, our homework is student life. That means you will write composition number 2 as your homework, student life, and this will be your 13 number homework. Dear learners of class 3, I hope that you have, many of you have memorized, and those who are left from today, they will get the inspiration or motivation to memorize these 2 compositions. And finally, I request you to do your homework. This is homework number 13, composition 2nd, it is student life. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.